how to delete any photo that you are tagged in on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can delete any of the photos that you are tagged in on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete any photos that you are tagged in on Facebook, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch a Facebook app, you want to make sure to tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines icon, just make sure to tap the gear icon that you can find it over here. And as you tap the gear icon, you simply want to scroll down and then look for an option where it says activity log. So you can find the one that says here, tap the activity log option. Once you tap on activity log, in this case over here you can see activity that you tagged in. Now what you can do is over here you can just select manage tags option, and then over here you can just go to the filters tab and then select categories and then just choose an option where it says your filter date and your end date and so on. Now just select any of the images here and then you'll be able to see all of the comments you're tagged in and all of the posts that you're basically tagged in as well. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.